Hi guys, this is another one of those little side tracks that I've disappeared down when I was doing something else. I've been working on helicopter, those are the bits the rotor's attached to, and I had a comment on an old video, and in that video one of the things I've been asked to do was make a mechanism so that you could leave your rubber band connected to the back axle of your rubber band powered car without it winding back up again. If you tie your rubber band to your back axle, when it unwinds and gets to the end of its run, it starts winding back up again because the car keeps running, and because the rubber band's attached to the back axle, it winds back up again. And in the video I'm talking about, I'd made a little sort of ratchet thing that gripped when the car was being pulled by the rubber band and then released when the car was freewheeling. And I'd made it out of a pen top. Well, now I've got a 3D printer. So this, which I haven't tried yet, so I've no idea if it works, but this is what this is supposed to do. I haven't even released it from the raft yet. Okay, I need to get the stuff out in the middle, but the idea is that those latch together like that, so when it's being pulled by the rubber band, that's latched together. But when the rubber band's finished pulling it and the car carries on running, this bit should come round like that, push that out the way and release it, with the rubber band still tied in place. So I'm going to put together some of my bits that I've got from other rubber band powered cars and give it a try. Right, so we've got one piece attached to the axle, and the other piece, the rubber band's attached to it. So we should be able to wind it up like that, and when we release it, that's what we want to happen. So the rubber band is retained in place, but we had our ratchet effect to wind it up. Let's change the camera. There we go. Okay. So, are we pointing in the right direction? Oh, yes. I wound it up too much. We didn't need it that much wound up. It only came loose at the very last second. So we'll go back the other way and I won't wind it as much. I'll take the camera off the tripod so I can hold it closer. Right, so we're wound on. Yeah, that's doing what we want. In fact, complete success. I'll wind it up even less this time because we still only had a couple of brief seconds of it doing what it's supposed to do. That bit. So one more try. That was better. Yeah, pleased with that. Very simple, and it does the job as requested back in 2014. I'll put a link to the original video, I think, in the video description. Very close up so you can see it.